Hello and welcome to my new video in my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna present to you a Rolex pocket watch solid gold in 9 karat solid gold. This watch has been produced 100 years ago, something about 100 years ago, and still looks like the watch just left the factory. I'm gonna show you the chain first. This chain is very beautiful chain. Each element of the chain has a stamps, T-bar, pendant and a dog clip. I'm gonna explain now what the stamps mean. Let's start with the dog clip. Dog clip has several stamps. Yes, here. I see 375, 9 and the letter stamps. 9 means the purity of gold, 9 carats. 375 means the same thing, purity of gold. And the letter stamps are in connection with the producers of that chain. They usually put the front letters of their names. For example, if this chain has been made from Jamie and Smith, they're gonna put J and S. You're gonna find the letters J and S somewhere on the chain. Each link of that chain has a stamps, 9 and 375, purity of gold. T-bar, stamps, yes, letters in connection with the producers. And what's this? 375, 9, the purity of gold. Pendant, many stamps here, letters, 375, 9, letter, a South Office, letter. Very beautiful chain. Let's continue with the watch. Top condition of pocket watch. Stunning condition of pocket watch. Let's first, I'm gonna wind it up first couple of times. Three times, it's enough. The watch start working now, and now I'm gonna set up the hands. I'm gonna pull out the crown and I'm gonna spin in the hands clockwise direction. The time now is 20 past 9, not exact but very close to 20 past 9, so 9:20. 20 is exact here. Push back the crown and a few more times. That's it. I'm not gonna need it anymore. And now I'm gonna open the watch to show you the movement. I'm gonna use my pocket watch opener. I'm gonna press here, click very gently. Top condition of pocket watch. What we've got here, Rolex. We've got several inscriptions here. First one is Rolex. Second one is 7 world records. Gold medal, Geneva, Swiss. We have a 375, the purity of gold, the case, and on the bottom we've got a Rolex watch company Ltd and the serial number. Now I'm gonna show you the movement. I'm gonna use my nail to open that cover. I don't want any signs of any tools here. Yes. This is the movement. I can easily say top condition of movement, very good preserved movement of pocket watch. Clean, very nice, beautiful, stunning. Some stamps here also, Rolex Watch Company Ltd, serial number and 375. Beautiful watch. I'm gonna close the case back. Click. So that's it. If you think that you have seen something interesting in this video, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye.